Hi everyone, and welcome back to a new video and tutorial. Today I'm gonna share with you how to make this daisy granny square using a double crochet stitch. There are two ways to do it. One is using treble and one is using double. Next, after this one, I will be sharing with you how to make it with a treble crochet stitch. So for now we'll do the simple and easy one, which is the double crochet. We'll get started right away. So I'm using medium worsted yarn and 5mm crochet hook. I'm gonna start with a slip knot. And I'm gonna chain 4. In the fourth chain from the hook, I'm gonna make 11 double crochet. 11 double crochet with a chain 3 is gonna be 12 double crochet. So 11, oops, and I'm gonna join on top of the initial chain 3 with a slip stitch. Okay, I'm gonna pull through again and fasten off. So I will insert another color from any space between the stitches. I'm gonna insert my second color. And I'm gonna chain 3. So in the same space, I'm gonna make 2 incomplete double crochet. So yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch, pull through 2, and repeat. Yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch, pull through 2. I've got total of 3 loops. Pull through all, chain 2. Repeat in the same stitch in every stitch. Insert the hook, pull through 2, hold, insert again into the same stitch, pull through, and repeat one more time, total of 3 times. So the first one we did twice because we have the chain 3, initial chain 3, and in every stitch we're gonna make 3 incomplete double crochet, pull through all, chain 2. and the last one. Chain 2 and join with a slip stitch to the initial chain 3. Slip stitch. So now I'm gonna turn this round into a granny square. For that I will insert a new color, the same way I inserted previously the white, and I'm gonna chain 3. So this will be my first corner of the granny square. I will make 2 double crochet in the same space. Chain 2 and in the same space 3 double crochet. In the next 2 spaces, this one and this one, I'm gonna make 3 double crochet. So 3 double crochet in the next space. Three double crochet in the next space. and in the last corner 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. The last 2 spaces, 3 double crochet in each. And slip stitch on top of the initial chain 3 and fasten off. And this is how you get the daisy granny square using double crochet stitch. So this is how you make the daisy granny square using the double crochet. Easy and straightforward. One of the ways to make it. I'm gonna show you next in the next tutorial how to make it using treble. So until next time, take care, bye bye.